Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back here in the Dollar Tree, just browsing today to see what new items I can find for you guys. So we've pretty much seen everything over here. They have a few, what are these? Pillowcase bags right here. The Avengers, you can see those. They have some of the infinity scarves. We've all seen these right here. The ones with the pumpkin faces. This one right here in gray with the hats, the skulls, the little candy bucket. This one, you have the cat, the candy totes. Here's another one of those buckets right here, the pumpkin face, the monster. They have the little mummy right here. These little decors, hanging decors. Here's some of the journaling cards right here. They have those ones. A lot of the window decoration they have here. You guys can see those. Door covers. Ceiling decoration. Here's some more of the window decoration, the blood, the wall decorations. It's really bright in the store today, guys, so if you can't see, they have these windows decorations here. And a lot of the tinsel garlands they have, we've seen those already. All right, so I think we've seen all of the paper lanterns. I think we've all seen all of those. The glitter tea light candles here. They have those with the pumpkins. This one with the ghost. And I see one with the pumpkins and the skeleton in purple. Some of the 60-watt party bulbs here in purple. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen all of these right here. Some of the little skeletons right here, the hanging skeletons. Some of the yard stakes. Welcome. Day of the Dead. Here's some more of the ceiling decoration here with the bats. And a lot of the different skeletons and the bats upside down. Guys, look at these right here. Don't these look good? These are the Swiss rolls. They're not the regular ones that we eat, but these are Miss Freshley's. But they really look good. I used to eat these when I was a kid. And it looks like they put out some more decoration here. Some of the decor, some of the flying ghost and the ghouls down here. So as you can see, they put out a lot of the different ghouls. They had some with the purple, but these are the ones in black. And a lot of the hanging ghosts here. Look at those guys. And they have some ones back there in orange. As you can see, the ones in orange back there. They have those. They have the smaller ones as well. All of the decor. More of the hanging decor up here. You can see those. We've all seen those before. They still have the doormats here, trick or treat. Still have those. All right, so they have some of the reusable modeling beads here. We've seen those. They have some of the vampire teeth. A lot of the little rings, the spider rings. They have those modeling foam beads in orange as well. Here's some of the lace table runners in black. They have some of the cookie cutters here. Some of the skeleton tongues. And some of the LED tea light candles with the eyes. Some of the bats. I saw these ones right here in purple, I think, and they have orange and another color. They have those. A lot of the carvable pumpkins right here. And as you can see, they have a still putting out fall and harvest items. Pretty much from what I'm looking at the pictures, I think we've already seen all of these. Some of them we have. So it looks like they're coming out with some of the pumpkin items, the gourds. They're coming out with some of the Harvest Melt fragrances, some more of the fall flowers. Alright, so I did not think I was going to run into Christmas here already in Dollar Tree. So we're going to start off with the Christmas trees right here. They have these little mini Christmas trees. The white ones. I also see the green ones down there as well. Here's all the wood items here. They have the little elf here, the gingerbread, the snowman, the star, the trees, Santa, the truck, and here's the house. Peace on earth, let it snow. Some of the candy cane wreaths right there. They have these little Christmas trees right here in white. Some of the bottle trees right here in green, silver. And I see these ones right here in gold and white. A lot of the ribbon here. That's really pretty ribbon. They have that one right there. This one with the trees. The blue snowflakes. All right, so I see that they have some of the little purple bottle trees as well. I only see this one here though, so I'm going to put that one back. They have some of the tinsel stems up here in silver, red, gold, and green. Different color pom-poms, red and green, red, white, and green. Some of the foam scatters, silver and white. You get 20 pieces in that. Here's some more here. Some of the ribbon. That's a pretty color ribbon in green. I see blue and white. Some of the glitter tulle, the red is pretty yellow, and the silver, and some of the poinsettias, the flowers. All right, so some more of the bottle trees in white. They have this pine one right here. And some of these have, and here's another one of the little purple trees right here, the pink trees. And some of these have like little ornaments on them already. This one right here. Some of the crafter bottles, gold. They have the blue tops. The ones with the candy canes. Some of the DIY ornaments right here, the clear ones. The bigger ones right here in different shapes. This one. They also have the white ones as well. I see these ones right here. You can open the bottom up and add your little like a little nativity scene or whatever you want to put in those. And they have this one right here as well with the white bottom. Here's some of the bows right here in black. And a lot of the metal reef hangers, they have red and green. And I also see the words right here, peace, joy, and believe. Some of the pine cone garlands here in silver and in gold. A lot of the fake snow, the faux snow here. They have the vase fillers in red, gold, and silver. More snow. And we're going to come around on this side here, and they have some ornaments here. Look at the little cute gnome ornaments right here. They have those. And this one right here, cute. They also have this one right here. This one right here, he's on a sleigh. That one there. And these are actually pics right here. These ones right here and these ones. So they have some ornaments right here. The B letter. I see S. They have a lot more back there, I see. And they have a lot of the different gnomes here, as you can see. Gnomes for the holidays. All right, so a lot of the different tinsel garlands right here, they have the little gnomes. If you can see those, I see green, red. I really like the red, and the white one is really pretty as well. But how cute are the little gnomes? 9 feet. They have these Christmas tree ornaments right here. These are really pretty. I've never seen these before. But they have red. I see pink. This pretty blue. That's really pretty. But I think that was just a brief snippet of what they have for Christmas this year. Let's see here. We've seen all of those. Here's some of the LED wire lights down here at the bottom with the little candy canes. Some of the 20 mini lights. They have those. And that's pretty much it, guys. And they have some of the DIY, color your own decor. This little truck right here says Be Merry. The paint sets right here with the presents. The candy canes. The snowman. And I think the Christmas tree is the one I missed. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to pop into the Dollar Tree and see what new items they had. I did show you guys the Christmas items that they have out already. And look at the DIY rocks here. So they have this one right here with the Christmas tree. That Let It Snow sign right there. Here's one with the snowman.
Laura, you're coming to the front.
Elf Squad. And Peace and Joy. But yeah, I'm pretty sure they have more items in the store. We're going to walk around again a little before I leave up out of here. Alright guys, so look how cute these little gloves are. These are by Juncture. This one has a dog on the front. This one has peppermints. Let's see if there's any more. This one has a little cute dog on the front. And brown. I see some cats. This one right here. These will be great garden gloves. This one right here. I'm gonna pick this one up here. But those are the only 5 that I see. I'm gonna put this one back. Guess I wasn't looking very hard. Let's see what type of cute socks they have here. So they have some gloves out, we see, by Juncture. These ones right here. Black and white. Red and black. And these are the texting gloves right here. Those. And those come in blue and white. And I also see these green ones right here as well. Those right there. Some of the hats. They have a lot of the hats here. Look at this little cute set of gloves here. Hello.
Angela to the front, please. Angela to the front, please.
This one right here says dude. Let's see, this one has a unicorn on the front in pink. They also have a, what is this? I think this is another, oh, this is a dinosaur. They have that one. And they have these ones right here with the little cat. It says princess. I'm not sure what character that is right there, but they have that one. And I also see one in blue back here. It has a shark, a little shark on the front. And this one has a sports car. All right, so here's some of the fleece scarves up here. They have this one right here, the polka dotted one, this one right here, and this pink one right here. And I also see these little muffs right here. Look how cute those are. I would really wear these right here. And they have these ones right here. And they have the, let me take these off here. They have the gray ones. And I also see just regular colors. Pink, I see a burgundy one back there. Gray, black. You also have this one right here. I would definitely rock these right here. But yeah, guys, so I think that's pretty much everything that I see here in the Dollar Tree. What are these right here? Just some slippers, some little cozy socks. These are Snuggadoo baby socks right here. Green, I see pink, yellow. Here's some gray ones right here. They have those ones right there. And they have some Fruit of the Loom socks right here in different colors. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today, guys. I really appreciate you guys still rocking with me all of this time. Look at these little socks right here with the fox. Is that a fox or an owl? Looks like an owl. But as I was saying, thank you guys so much for staying with me all of this time right here. Look at these right here. Look at these socks right here. And then they have some leg warmers. Wow. Let's see. And they have them in different colors. Pink. All right, so I think I want those, but I'm not sure. Let's see. So they have black. They have gray. They have the pink one and the white. So I'm going to pick up all of these right here. Let me see if they have any other colors. Okay, so I have the pink, the white, the gray, and the black. I'm going to put these here for a second. I see some women's gloves right here. They have these ones right here in white. These burgundy ones. These are really nice. I also see the gray ones right here. Gray, burgundy. So I'm definitely going to pick up these right here. Definitely going to get these right here today. And I'm going to get out of here, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys on the next video. I did not know they sold Franco Sarto lady stockings in here. And they come in different colors, black. They come in nude. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching.